Hello everyone, I am Devi. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a new learning video for traders, those who are new to this trading platforms, especially when you're trading forex. You don't have you might have a lot of knowledge trading, technical analysis and everything. So, but you still not becoming a successful trader. So even I have come across different stages in trading, being a losing trader, and I wanted to become a successful trader. So I wanted to follow a set of rules which I made it. So in this video, we are going to analyze and learn how to make a trading journal and how to become a successful trader. So being a teacher, my main job, and then this trading is my side hustle. So I wanted to educate the people regarding trading. So let's enter into the video. Let me share my screen quickly. All right. So here you can see how to become a successful trader. So there are many traders who never make a journal. So first thing you need to maintain a journal. Okay. Yes. So first important point is you need to maintain journal. So those are not maintaining a journal. So take your book right now and start writing these rules that I will take this journal very seriously. Okay, and then these are the set of rules to become a successful trader, and I'll maintain this trading journal every day. So yeah, I'm going to make every trading, if I take every trade, I'm going to write down this and maintain my PPT or PDF trading journal, and then I'll take a printout and then I'll make like a booklet. Okay, so that is where you become very serious trader. Okay, so I will follow all the rules in this journal with the discipline and consistency. If you are disciplined in trading, definitely I'll make sure that you will become a successful trader. Otherwise, even if I give you 10 years time, you'll never become a successful trader. Okay, so let's see what are the next other points. So you can note down these points on your trading journal. So first take a book and then start writing these points. Okay, the next points. The very important point in trading is the risk management. So suppose, for example, if you have, let's say, $1,000, okay, $1,000. So then you can risk, let's say, $1,000, you can risk $50 per trade. Okay, so which is going to be a 5%, right? Or you can say if you're risking $500 per trade, so it is going to be a bad risk management. So the maintaining a risk is also very important. So in this video, we're going to learn how to maintain a risk as well. Okay, and then number three, so promise yourself that I will never do over trading. So over trading, the less you trade, it's better. So I will show you in this video like how you'll trade less and make more profitable. So don't keep following the money. Just see how to follow the process. Okay, so the less you trade, you get more profit. Okay, so and then never ever do revenge trading. So if you do revenge trading, then it will kill you for sure. Okay, all right. So these are the rules that you need to write. Okay, risk management, I'll show you in the journal. Okay, which I'm going to write it on everyday basis. So let's say how a journal should look like. So this is going to be our journal. So let me make it more clear for you. Yes. So here we can see the capital which I am using. Okay, let's say if I wanted to, even though I have $1,000, but still I will take my capital as $125. Okay, so reason behind this, if I keep $1,000, my mindset would go, okay, I would take more risk. Okay, so you can just load on your trading account, let's say Exness, or if you are using Delta account, just load $125 initially, or how much you want to lose in the next 5 days. So let's say on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So each day you're going to lose $25. So that is the, or next five trades you're going to lose $25. That is what you have to keep it. And then first thing always in the journal, so you need to start writing the dates. So today, let's say what is today date? Let's see, today is November 10th, right? Let me write down that here. Okay. So you have to fill this journal on everyday basis. November 10th, 2025. Okay. And then what time did you take the trade? Let's say I took one trade last night. Let's say on November 10 at Indian time, let's say around 11 o'clock. Okay. So I took a one BTC trade, which I'll show it to you right now. So 11 p.m. And then what is the pair BTC USD? BTC USD. And then which session? So it is Asia session. Okay, so it was night. So almost none of the sessions are open, but still there was an opportunity where I took the trade in. Okay, so I will consider that as Asia session because Asia session where the movement actually began. Especially we are trading with BTC, it is 24 bar 7. So I don't consider any trading session particularly we need, but New York session would be the most volume where we can see in the trading. So what was our bias? Like my bias was bullish. I'll write down here bullish. Okay. And then the market structure. So what was the market structure you have used? So I have used, let's say, moving average trade and 200 EMA and 9 and 15 EMA crossover. So I will write EMA cross over, which is 9 and 20 and liquidity. Okay, so I want on the buy side, there was a sell side liquidity we grabbed, right? So there was sell side liquidity I have grabbed. Okay. And then confirmation confluences, like what are the other than 9 and 20 EMA. So I have took confirmation that EMA 200, and then there was an supply zone and demand zone. So I took based on the demand zone. So let me show you on the chart of BTC. Okay. So this is the first page that you need to maintain your journal. So I will, at the description, I'll give this PPT, the text format of this. You can take a printout or you can um, put it on your system and then on everyday basis. So how much you're going to lose? $25 per trade. And then you can initially you can load your capital, even though you have $1,000. So your mental psychologically you will get affected. So on next five trades, you're going to take a risk of $25. Okay, so this is what the first thing you have to write on your trading journal. And then next, so you have to bring your chart. So you can see here chart sketch. So you can use snip tool or something, so you can take a picture of your chart. You can see currently my entry price. Okay, where was my entry price? 104,808 was my entry price, right, on my BTC trade. And then my risk could be here $29, because in BTC we can have as if I took 0.02 lot, my risk could be $29. Okay, so it could be like $4 extra, it's fine. No worries. Okay, because this was the supply zone, this was the demand zone. Okay, this was our demand zone. So where there was again a break of structure. So the time frame. Okay, so the time frame which I'm using here is time frame was 1 hour. So it could be any strategy. So I'm not going to reveal any strategies. Like you can follow any strategy, but your maintain our ultimate goal is to maintain trading journal. That's it. Like what all I am doing, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so trade time frame is 1 hour, and then there was a break of structure here. You can see break of structure happen, and then my target would be 1:2. So my target would be $55. So let's currently the trade is on $23 profit. So and then I have set my SL. So never enter a trade without stop loss. Okay, so that's most important. And then what was the entry price? 104,808. And then what was the target price? 107,490. So this is where the supply zone. Okay, so 1:2 definitely we can get it. Most probably we'll see, like after entering the trade, never change your trade. Okay, so that is the most important points. I will show you the results in that next video. Okay, next. So you should see the entry price. What was my entry price? You can see 104,808, and then my stop loss was 103,247. So let's note down that. So what was our entry price? 104,808. And then what was our stop loss price? You can see 103,247. So 103,247. So take profit would be $55. So we didn't yet achieve the target. Once we achieve the target, I'll make a separate video like trade one, trade two, trade three. And then this is the video where we are going to learn how to make a trading journal. Okay. All right. So trade management, how did the price move after entry? So let me see. See, as soon as I enter, there was a big bullish candle. All right. So I will say it was a fast momentum was very fast. Okay. So I will enter. So the moment. Okay. So momentum was very fast, or whatever the reason that you felt, you can write down. Okay. And then there was a huge bullish candle. Huge bullish candle. Okay. All right. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So did you move your SL to breakdown? So not yet. Okay. So I didn't move yet. Maybe I will move once after the trade is reaching a 1:1 or 1:2. Let's see. Okay. So how long did you hold the trade? So I'm holding from um, last night 11 o'clock till I'll show the real trade as well as now. But still, I didn't close the trade, so I'm just keeping this as empty as of now. So post trade reflection, win or lose, I'll still once in the second video I'm going to make that. So what could have been improved? So still the results is not yet of this trading, this trade. Okay, particularly lesson learned. So I didn't even closed my trade yet. Once the trade is closed, then we will see. Okay, now I'm going to show you the real trade. Okay, all right.